So, try natin sagutan itong problem na to. So, in order to pull out the nail at P, the force F exerted on the handle of the hammer must produce a clockwise moment of 500 pounds to meters. So, about point A. So, determine the required magnitude of force F. So, ito yung free body diagram ng figure natin. So, dito, since ito ay alam naman natin na ito ay naka-slope na force. So, by resolving the force F into component, which is yung parallel natin at saka yung perpendicular natin sa hammer natin. So, bali dito, by applying the principles of moment, so, by taking summation moment at A is equals to 0, so assuming na yung counterclockwise natin is positive. So, yung parallel natin dito, since ito ay adjacent ng 30 degrees natin, yung fx natin is equal sa forces times cos 30 degrees. Yung fy natin, since ito ay opposite sa 30 degrees natin, so ito ay forces times sin 30 degrees. So, start tayo sa moment na may binigay dito na clockwise moment. Since ito ay clockwise, so magiging negative ito. Kasi yung assumption natin dito is counterclockwise magiging positive. So, 500 is equal sa, consider natin yung dalawang components natin, which is yung perpendicular at saka yung parallel. So, yung parallel natin dito, which is yung fx, so papuntang A, ito ay clockwise. So, magiging negative ito, f cos 30 times yung moment arm niya na 18 inches. So, yung perpendicular natin dito, which is yung fy, f sub y, so papuntang A, clockwise pa din. So, magiging negative f sin 30 degrees times yung moment arm niya na 5 inches. So, calculate natin. So, yung force na lalabas dyan is 27.6 pounds. Ito na yung sagot sa problem natin. That's it.